Well, in distribution, your lower voltages, their protection is their rubber gloves and sleeves. That's their insulation. In barehand work, the protection here is the upper fiberglass boom. That is their protection. So they're actually like a bird on a conductor. They're energized at that wire potential. They wear a barehand suit, which is a conductive suit. It's made out of actually stainless steel thread and Nomex, which is fire retardant. The suit is like a wire. You can take a continuity test on each end of the sleeve and get a reading. They wear conductive socks, conductive gloves, conductive pants, conductive jackets. It's all bonded together to make one unit, so you don't have any jumping between you, it'll arc between you if you're not all tied together. Once you get here, they decide where they're going to put the truck, and once they get that parked and set up, then they'll have what we call a tailboard job briefing. The supervisor will explain to them exactly what we're going to do. Everybody knows who's going to do the barehand, who's going to be on the ground, who's going to stick the arrow lift in the line to test it, and then we go to work. If we change one sentence of that pre-job, then we shut down and we talk about it again before we continue. Then we take the basket from the ground controls and run the basket up into the line and energize it at the line voltage. We check the reading on the meter. We do our reading in microamps. If that reading is below 288 microamps, after 3 minutes when it's in the line, we bring the bucket back out of the line, bleed the static current off of it when it gets to the ground. The linemen get in, they go to work. You know, over time, age takes toll on your line, wear and tear. We have quite a bit of vandalism shooting insulators on the structures. We have to replace insulators. We have shot conductor. Somebody didn't see a deer that day or something, so he decided to shoot the conductor. We have problems with lightning. Lightning will hit Mother Nature. You can't do it with Mother Nature. We're in the maintenance group, and that's what we do. We take care of over 6,000 miles of transmission line. Well, this day and time, because of the load, the growth, it's hard to get these lines out anymore. This is not the answer to all the maintenance work, but it saves us a lot of time and trouble to have to take a line out of balance storm, do switching at Dobbs. We can come in here and barehand it and be gone before any of the switching could be done. So it keeps the customer's lights on. It puts less load over on the other lines. If we have this line out, we're putting more load on other lines, and that's not a good, reliable thing for your customers. So you just you work it hot, keep the line going.